Hello, I am Haktan Bozdoğan. I am a freshman student in mathematics department in Bilkent University. In this video, you're going to see my experiment. In my project, I investigate how the elastic potential energy stored in a spring is converted into the kinetic energy of an air pump, as well as the variables that affect this conversion. The variables I examined include the spring constant in the first stage of experiment, the compression amount of the spring in the second stage, and the mass of the compressed object in the final stage. In this context, the equipment I will use includes two different springs, dynamometer, ruler, air table, spark timer, tape, carbon paper, and two similar masses. As seen in the videos, I use the dynamometer to determine the spring constants of the springs by applying the equation F equal K times X. Then I attach the objects to the springs one by one and release them after compressing the springs by 3 centimeters. As shown in the two videos, I measured the points where they landed on the carbon paper. In the second part, I examined the effect of springs compression amount. For this, I choose three different compression distances and used the same spring for all of them. The distance I use 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and 4 centimeters. Then I measured the points where the object landed on the carbon paper. These videos show the second stage of my experiment. In the third stage of my experiment, I increased the mass of the object. In the first trial, I add 0.05 kg to the object, and in the second trial, I add 0.1 kg to the object. As a result, using the data I obtained and the kinetic energy formula, I created charts and graphs. The graphs and charts I created will be now presented in order. These videos show the data of my project. In the conclusion, based on the tables and graph from part 1, we observed that an increase in the spring constant increased energy, and this increase is linear according to the graph. In part 2, the tables and graph showed that increasing the amount of spring compression also increased energy, and this increase is parabolic. In part 3, the data shows that increasing the mass of the object only decreases its average velocity, but does not change the amount of transformed energy. The graph remains constant in this case.